Gruezi mitenand. For tonight's dinner, Schlarraffenland will show you how to make your own Banh mi siu or char siu sandwich at home. To be exact, we'll make a beloved version of the Vietnamese sandwich. It's basically char siu, which is Chinese red barbecue pork, stuffed to near explosion in the banh mi or Vietnamese bread with pate and pickles. And in this video, we'll show you how to make every ingredient from scratch, from the umami char siu pork to the rich pate and the tangy pickle. It's much easier than you think, so let's roll into the kitchen with us and make a banh mi sandwich that will blow your mind away. We recommend marinating the pork for at least 12 hours, though optimally it should be marinated for 24 hours. Don't worry, your patience will be rewarded. So let's cut up 500 grams of pork shoulder the night before into long thin strips like this. This way will help the marinade penetrate better into the meat. Crush 3 cloves of garlic into your pork. Add in there 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of MSG. Next is the most important marinade ingredient, char siu seasoning powder. And don't worry, char siu is such a beloved Asian dish that you can easily find this seasoning in your nearest Asian store, I guarantee you. So, for 500 grams of pork, you need 50 grams of char siu seasoning. We're using this Thai Lobo brand. And 1 tablespoon of dried chili flakes for a good spice kick, but it's optional. Also add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 50 milliliters of water. Submerge the pork in the marinade and give it a little massage so the spice and flavor can seep into the muscle fiber of your pork. Next, we'll prepare a quick and easy carrot pickle for some freshness. Cut 2 carrots into thin strips like this, or any shape that would give the texture you like really. Bathe your carrot strips in 150 milliliters of vinegar, 75 grams of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Leave this pickle overnight in the fridge with your pork. Now it's time to go to bed and dream beautiful dreams about the tasty char siu sandwich you'll have the next day. Ah, a new day has come, and dinner is finally almost here. Let's prepare the rest of the sandwich. We'll show you a heavenly pate recipe to pair with the char siu sandwich. We'll prepare the pate ingredients first. Wash and soak 200 grams of fresh liver in milk for at least half an hour. This is to draw out all the toxins from the liver. While the liver is soaking, we can roast our beautiful char siu. Put your well-marinated char siu in the oven or air fryer and grill it at 190 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Do not throw away your char siu marinade sauce. You can still make an addictive char siu sauce out of it. Simply cook your marinade sauce in a saucepan with 50 milliliters of water until it boils, and then give it a teaspoon of cornstarch to thicken it to sauce consistency, and give it a taste. Don't tell me you do not fall in love with it already. Your char siu pork is probably done by now. Take it out from the oven and admire its beautiful, irresistible redness for a minute. Then cut it up into thin slices like we do here. Okay, you're almost there. So close to your dream sandwich. Let's prepare your last ingredient, the pate. Rinse the milk from the liver and cut it into small chunks and set it aside. Don't forget to mince half an onion and 4 cloves of garlic. Now it's time to take out your trusted pan and saute the onion and garlic with 25 grams of butter on medium heat, just for 1.5 to 2 minutes for the onion and garlic to release their fragrance. Then add your liver and 100 grams of ground pork in the pan. Note that if you prefer richer pate, you can add some pork fat for the yummy fattiness. Stir fry everything until it's almost cooked, which takes around 7 minutes. Don't forget to season it with 1 tablespoon of broth mix or salt, 1.5 tablespoon of herb de Provence, or is a mixture of savory, marjoram, rosemary, thyme, and oregano. and half a tablespoon of paprika powder. Now, while your liver and meat is cooking, cut 2 slices of toast bread into small chunks like this. Soak them in milk only until the milk barely covers the bread chunks for 2 minutes at most. Do not let your bread go mushy by soaking them longer. Then drain the bread chunks and add them in with the liver. Keep stir-fry for another 2 to 3 minutes until everything is cooked through. Then add your fried mixture in a food processor and grind it down to the consistency of your liking. We prefer a chunkier consistency for our pate, but you do you. Now, finally, it's time to assemble your sandwich. First, slice open your banh mi bread that we show you how to make from scratch in this video right here. Link is also in the description. Next, give your bread a good lather of butter. Then, a nice generous spread of pate. Then comes some tangy and fresh pickled carrot. Then as much delicious char siu pork as your heart desires. Spread on the char siu so much of that heavenly char siu sauce. And finally, some cilantro for a healthy flavor kick at the end. And voila! There you have it, your own char siu sandwich that guarantees you will come back for second, third, and fourth. We know we did. So, if you keep coming back for more, then please take some time to like and subscribe to our channel for more recipes to enjoy. Now, all that's left is, and with that, bon appetit, itadakimasu, mời cả nhà ăn cơm, and dig in.